How to use truncation. The last search strategy we talk about in this video is how to use truncation, sometimes referred to as wildcards, to expand your search. In many databases, you can add an asterisk at the end of your search term to replace a letter or group of letters. Doing this allows you to search several variations of a word. For example, if you search for psycho asterisk, you'll receive items using the words psychology, psychological, and psychosis, just to name a few. This strategy expands your search results and saves you the time of performing several different searches. One last search tip. Every database is different, so a strategy that works well in one might work completely differently in another. To learn more about the database you're using, go to the Help section. There, you'll find the database's preferred truncation and wildcard symbols, along with explanations for how to use phrase searching and Boolean operators. If you still have questions or need more detailed information on all of these search strategies, you can take a look at the Online Searching Principles and Specifics LibGuide at the link below. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped. To view other library how-to videos, please go to the Murphy Library YouTube channel to see all that we have available. Is there a video you'd like to see us make? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, or email at us at libinstruct@uwlax.edu.